Hey everybody, check out what I have here. This is great. This is a, well, I can't do it. Open it up. Okay, open it this way. Okay, here we go. Check it out. It is a little man girly thong thing. So I guess that's gonna be the back, and then it'll clip around to the front. Let's see, how's it clip? It's actually kind of cute looking. If I was a femboy or something, this would be perfect. I'm not a femboy. But I think that's what they call it, is a femboy. Femboy panties or something like that. So there we go. So this, oh, it'll probably stay on better if you've got it on something other than just the air. Okay, so there we go. So holding it there. Oh, man, I just can't get it to stay. But you get the idea. It will stay when it has the friction of, oops, not that way. See, when it's got things pulling on it, it'll stay like that. There we go. So this is what it looks like here. It's got place for your front and right down the middle. Holy moly. So this is it here. So for all your femboy needs, whatever, you got this here. It's actually kind of cute. But okay, we'll see if my girlfriend likes it. Thumbs up.